This is the Melonare Quad wireless microphone system. So Melonare sent this product to me for me to try out. Also, of course, to make this kind of video. But of course, they did not tell me what to say. They did not ask for any rating from any website at all. So I am free to say whatever I want based on my honest feedback regarding this product. This is actually huge. And this is my first quad wireless microphone system that I am personally going to be using. Right, so of course you have the boxes here. Of course you have this nice packaging. There you go. Your printouts and your warranty information and technical support. So have a quick read of this, of course. And then what do we have here? We have two antennas, because why not? It's wireless. We're still in this age where antennas is still as big as this, but it shouldn't affect the function, does it? There you go. Here's the actual receiver. Is that the right terminology to use? Receiver. Melonare MWM-400F. You have the volume knob here for your first microphone, second, third, and fourth microphone. And the leveling, of course, switch button on the right side of it. The case, as you can hear, is mainly made of metal, but the front face or front fascia is good quality plastic. You have this, I don't know, is it glass component here for your LED or LCD screens, which has this plastic protective coating or layering on. We have several screws underneath and screws on the side as well, both sides equal number, but here's what's at the end of it. So you have your antenna port here for antenna B here and A on this side. You have the power DC input here, and then of course your XLR out port. There you go. And you have mix out as well. So let's open and see what's underneath. Cool, right, a bit busy down here. You cannot see it from there, you can see it from here. Just showing it to you. So you have your 6.35mm to 3.5mm cable adapter. It's this one. And you have a detachable one so that you have 6.35 to 6.35. Of course, your power plug and cable. This is not any sort of medication. This is actually your padding for the bottom part of it, of course. I think you just have to manually cut it. You have 4 pairs of AA batteries. Of course, they are not rechargeable, and that's what you should expect, of course. I guess you can use rechargeable ones, but this is, yes, 1.5 volts. Many rechargeable batteries are only 1.2, so we will see later on if it's gonna work. So the main guys, of course, it's quite noisy, I would guess, for you to listen to that. These are your microphones. You have a gray one, blue, black, and orange. So how would you know which is which? Color coding, yeah, but in terms of channel, is there any way for us to know? Maybe I still have to watch the manual of it, of course. But let's just inspect this a little closely, okay? So, typical structure of a microphone like this. That's your close-up. And this is a good build. I would say this is a good quality. Very good, to be honest. I have unboxed many microphones like this. Well, not many, but quite a few. But in comparison to those, this is actually very good quality. This is, I think, metal. or steel. This might be plastic bit, but hey, this one as well looks decent. Looks very good. So I think it all boils down to the quality of the audio it's gonna produce, right? So we'll do a trial of that, and then I'll let you listen to the sample audio coming out of these microphones. So what I'll do is I am going to connect it to my camera as direct receiver of it, or maybe to one of these bad boys on my neck, and then we will try it out for you guys. Alright. Hello, yes. Picked up 1 2 1 2 1 2. Maximum volume Marshall Kilburn 2 1 2. Maximum bass, maximum treble. Right, 1 2 1 2. Channel 3 1 2 1 2. Maximum volume, maximum gain rather. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Maximum volume, maximum bass, maximum treble. Right, 1 2. 1 meter away from the receiver, 2 meters away from the receiver, and 3 meters away from the receiver. This camera is about 1.5 feet or about 2 feet away from the speaker Marshall Kilburn. Is there any feedback? Let's see. Yes, of course, but not as sensitive considering its maximum gain, maximum volume, but it's my speaker. This is literally very, I don't know, silent speaker if you like. I'm not very technical about this thing. This is not the best speaker I would say for this kind of setup. Not for microphone, not for public speaking. So I'm sorry for that. I would say the audio capture is really good. And the quality, my voice is very real in terms of the output and the quality of it. Quite happy with it, to be honest. I'm sure with a better setup, with a better speaker, it will give a better quality audio. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
Again, you can mute it. There's a mute icon up there. Yeah? Let's turn it on again. There you go. Of course, you still have the ambient noise. It will also automatically go to sleep when you're not using it, when it's not capturing any sound like that. No ambient noise. But, see? When my second butt, it woke up. 1 2 1. Overall, I'm impressed with the build and audio quality of this product. But let me know what you think in the comments. Is this worth 150 bucks? But if you want to check this out, there's a product link in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.